Hi guys, so it's almost 5 o'clock in the evening, and I've just finished carrying out these grass that I'm gonna use for mulching. So I'm gonna start laying them on the land, so they can keep the moisture in the dirt when I plant. Whenever you're planting, it's always best according to what you're planting. Like I'm gonna plant tomato, so you want to get that dirt very moist. So I'm just gonna lay the grass on the land. So I have finished carrying every single thing that them guys had chopped for me the other day. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start the grassing process. Sorry I couldn't show you guys when I was carrying the grass because I didn't remember to carry my tripod, so I didn't have anyone to video either because I am here alone. Yeah, so without any further chatting and a bag of chattings, I'm gonna go on lay the grass. So guys, it's about 15 minutes to 7 right now, and this is my second day of grassing down this lot. People call it mulching, I call it grassing because the grass me I use. In any case, so this is my second day of grassing, and it's 15 minutes to 7 p.m. in the evening. So right now the grass done for me. Well, I have 3 heaps leave out there, but I want that for that spot out there, so I'm not gonna use it out here. So right now I need some more grass, so I think I'm gonna have to get some grass chopped. Now these grass chopped to spread in the empty section. So yes guys, this is coming along very well. So that's it for now guys. Stay tuned to see more.